Hari Om. Begin each day listening to the most auspicious sound in the universe. Yoga of Supreme Spirit, Chapter 15, Shloka 3 and 4. Its form is not perceived here as such, neither its end or its foundation, nor its resting place. Having cut asunder this firm rooted Ashwatha tree with the strong axe of non-attachment.
Chapter 15, Shloka 3. न रूपम् अस्येह ततोपलभ्यते नान्तो न चादिर्न च सम्प्रतिष्ठा अश्वत्थमेनं सुविरूढमूलम् असङ्गशस्त्रेण दृढेन चित्वा.
Then that goal should be sought after, where having gone, none returns again. I seek refuge in that primeval Purusha from which streamed forth all activity or energy.
Chapter 15, Shloka 4. Tatah padam tat परिमार्गितव्यं यस्मिन् गता न निवर्तन्ति भूयः तमेव चाद्यं पुरुषं प्रपद्ये यतः प्रवृत्ति प्रसृता पुराणी.
Chapter 15, Shloka 3 and 4. These shlokas indicate how we can annihilate the tree and thereby come to experience the pure source of all life's manifestations, the infinite life. The Ashwatha tree, spreading out in all quarters, as described in the previous shloka, represents the entire field of the manifested life, including ours. The subtle principle of life manifests through us as the perceptions of the body, as emotions and feelings of the mind, as ideals and thoughts of the intellect, and as mere non-apprehension of the causal body. The tree of life sprouts from the seeds of ignorance of reality, avidya, and exists only as long as the mental demands and desires, vasanas, function and ends on the realization of the self, vidya. The Ashwatha tree, constituted of the manifested world, can be cut by the strong axe of detachment. The shloka indicates that when our personality has to a maximum degree withdrawn from the extrovert pursuits, the intellect is to be consciously turned in an attitude of love and surrender to the goal. The world of matter is inert and insentient. The experiences of life gained through it are only possible because of the play of the consciousness. As long as it empowers the subtle body, the perceptions, emotions, thoughts function and remain extrovert. The withdrawal of the power from the inner body, mind, intellect vehicle is detachment. It is like the switching off the fan, when it starts losing speed, runs on its earlier momentum, then come to a halt effortlessly after some time. True seekers should learn to withdraw more and more from their usual dissipations with perceptions, feelings, and thoughts, and contemplate upon the higher, the source from which Ashwatha tree draws its sustenance and nourishment. After the extrovertedness has been curtailed, Lord says, then that goal should be sought after, to which men go and do not return. Learn more in the next shloka in the next video. To understand Gita, join Chinmaya Mission study group in your area. There are over 300 Chinmaya Mission centers in the world. Kindle Life is the first text prescribed in the scheme of study by Swami Chinmayananda himself. Watch Ranjod Kalra's videos on Kindle Life online. See this video clipping again and again till you can answer the following questions.